Put a bar of soap in the toilet. I'm sure you'll thank me for this trick. But before you do that, prepare a sock. Cut off the top part around the seam, but leave a small piece of fabric uncut. Now, take a bar of soap. Soap has natural cleaning, antibacterial, and refreshing properties. It not only smells nice, but also helps remove buildup and dirt. Put the scented soap inside the sock and tie it tightly with a knot so it stays in place. Then open the toilet tank and place the sock with the soap inside, tying it to the pipe. Now, just flush the water. With each flush, the soap will slowly dissolve, releasing a fresh scent and helping to keep the toilet clean. Thanks to this simple trick, the tank becomes an automatic air freshener and cleaner in one, and you'll have less work when it comes to cleaning.
Drop this ball into the toilet. It will smell fresh without cleaning. This trick works great when you have unexpected guests. The toilet will be clean and fragrant, and you won't even lift a finger. These balls are my secret patent for a quick bathroom. Preparing them is childishly simple. I pour a cup of baking soda and half a cup of citric acid into a bowl. Then, I add about 10 drops of my favorite essential oil. I mix everything and add a little water. I stir until I get a sticky consistency. I shape them into balls using an ice mold or my hands. I leave them to dry overnight. The balls can be stored for a few weeks. I throw them into the toilet when limescale or bad odors start to appear. The natural ingredients activate when they come into contact with water from the bowl, creating a disinfecting foam. Baking soda has properties that remove limescale and disinfect. The essential oil leaves a beautiful fragrance in the bathroom. After a few minutes, I scrub the inside of the toilet with a brush and flush. These balls are a reliable trick for unexpected guests. Just drop one into the toilet to refresh it quickly.
This breaks down toilet limescale better than a hammer. Cleaning your toilet has never been this easy. This powder tackles grime much faster than anything else. The result is worth it, so watch closely. Just gather a few powdery products, and the buildup will vanish. Start with laundry detergent. It dissolves grease, softens deposits, and cleans effectively. Sprinkle it generously over the toilet bowl. Next, add baking soda. It's a cleaning hero. It disinfects, whitens, and neutralizes odors. It's perfect for fighting dirt and scale. Now bring in some toothpaste. Its polishing particles help remove buildup and restore shine. Spread the paste around the inside of the bowl. Add some dish soap too. It breaks down grime and helps loosen the limescale. Let everything sit for about 15 minutes so the ingredients can work their magic. Then grab a brush and scrub. The limescale lifts off effortlessly, and the dirt falls away on its own. Flush, and that's it. A sparkling, fresh, and fragrant toilet, without harsh chemicals or hard scrubbing. Plumbers don't want you to know this trick. These balls will transform your toilet forever. First, you'll need a bar of soap. You can even use leftover pieces. Grate the soap until you get fine shavings. Soap effectively removes grease and dirt, while its antibacterial properties help maintain toilet hygiene. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to the bowl with the soap. Then, squeeze in some toothpaste. Toothpaste not only freshens and adds a pleasant scent, but also contains whitening agents. Put on protective gloves and mix all the ingredients thoroughly until you get a smooth paste. Now, divide the mixture into small portions and roll them into balls. Tear off a piece of aluminum foil and wrap each ball individually. Use a toothpick to poke a few small holes in each one. Drop a prepared ball into your toilet tank and leave it there. Every time you flush, the active ingredients will work on stains, bacteria, and limescale. Each ball acts like a mini cleaning tablet, dissolving slowly and keeping your toilet fresh for longer. I insert a pin into the toothpaste, and I have a trick for a perfectly clean bathroom. My toilet always smells fresh and looks neat with minimal effort. Take a tube of mint toothpaste. Its ingredients have refreshing and antibacterial properties. Using a needle or pin, make small holes, one next to the other, all over the surface of the tube. Be careful not to puncture the tube all the way through. Just a gentle poke will do. Then, gently squeeze the tube so that the toothpaste starts to release, providing a long-lasting effect. Now place the toothpaste in the toilet tank and close the lid. With every flush, the water will gradually wash away a small amount of toothpaste, spreading a fresh, minty scent and helping to keep the toilet clean. If you use blue toothpaste, you'll see the water turn color. With this trick, your toilet will always smell fresh and be refreshed, saving you time on cleaning, a simple method, but the effect really makes a difference. Green mixture for a sparkling toilet like never before. Let me share a secret that makes cleaning quick and satisfying. With just a few simple ingredients, you'll get rid of unpleasant odors and tough stains. Start by grabbing a large bowl. Measure out 150 milliliters of warm water. It helps dissolve the ingredients faster. Pour the water into the bowl. Next, add 1 tablespoon of a white gentle powder, citric acid. This is key for removing limescale. Then add 3 tablespoons of dish soap to help lift grime and buildup. Finally, squeeze in 1 tablespoon of regular toothpaste. It works great as a disinfectant and freshener. Mix everything thoroughly with a spoon, then use a whisk to beat it until it turns into a thick foam. Transfer the mixture into a small bottle for easy use. Pour it into your dirty toilet bowl and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Scrub well with a toilet brush, then flush. Your toilet will shine like new. This DIY toilet cleaner removes limescale, urine stains, and bad smells, naturally and effectively. Mix and place it in an empty toilet hanger. A homemade cube will work in any toilet. Is your toilet hanger empty? Don't have a new one? You don't have to rush to the store right away. You can prepare your own insert for such a hanger. Pour about 3/4 of a cup of water into a pan or pot. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch or potato starch. Mix it in cold water to dissolve. Now start heating the container. Stir and bring the mixture to a boil. It should be quite thick. To the resulting mixture, add a packet of citric acid. Mix the citric acid with the mixture until it completely dissolves. Add a generous amount of detergent. It can be dishwashing liquid or laundry detergent. Finally, you can add essential oil, for example, tea tree oil. Mix everything well. Transfer to a smaller container. Cover the area with foil for hygiene. Prepare an empty toilet hanger. Take a disposable spoon. Use it to apply the mixture to the hanger. And it's ready. Hang the hanger in the toilet and flush the waiter. The detergent and citric acid will gently clean its interior. The toilet will be cleaner and fresher.